Look at that pretty. That's so pretty.
Is it?
Did Jenny enjoy the cake? I bet she did.
Okay. Don't blow it out yet. Hold it. Don't sneeze. You can hold it with your hands underneath. Okay. You got it?
Watch your toes, watch your toe.
Yeah. We're going to take pictures.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chloe. Happy birthday to you.
Very good, Chloe. You know how to do this, huh?
She's done it before.
After 10 years.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Ready?
Happy birthday.
Oh,
dear
yeah, that's
Chloe.
pretty neat.
Happy birthday to you.
That is neat.
How old are
Was
you?
it touring?
Tip your cake up a tiny bit.
Oh, yeah?
Don't.
No! Come on.
Tip it up.
Tip it up.
Well,
Candles.
tip it up.
Your
There
candle's
you
about
go.
to
Is it
tip
getting heavy?
I was out there working the country, so I had to get a picture of it.
Okay, so are you ready? Happy birthday